Hi everybody, it's Amar Sincilla and welcome back to my channel. Tell me, have you ever experienced this before? You have a favorite restaurant that you go to, you have a favorite dish that you always order, and every time you crave for that dish, you go to that restaurant. One day that restaurant closes. What do you do? Comment below if you've ever experienced that before and tell me what you do. My husband and I used to live in Maryland, and there was a restaurant called DeMarco, and it was an Italian restaurant and pizzeria. And all the dishes that restaurant served were delicious, and the pizzas were delicious. But one of my favorite dishes there was called cavatelli with Italian sausage, ricotta, and pomodoro. It's spelled cavatelli, but it's pronounced gavatil. Anyways, the recipe was the restaurant owner's, Shelley's recipe, and the chef cooked it. The chef was from Italy, from a place called Gaeta, Italy. So I don't know if it was the recipe that was good or the chef that was good, but that pasta dish is so delicious that, you know what, it just stayed with me. And I haven't been back to Maryland, and I heard that the restaurant had closed during this pandemic, so I'm so sorry to hear that, and I miss this dish. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna try to recreate it from memory. I'm gonna recreate it from memory of what it looks like, from the memory that, of the ingredients that I know that's in there, and from the taste that I, remember. So DeMarco's pasta dish uses cavadils, which is cavatelli pasta, but I couldn't find that. I'm using a pasta that's close to it, a little bit of curls, so that it'll capture the sauce. I'm gonna be using my favorite pasta sauce, which is tomato basil. So I've got that heated up, and I have water boiling. The next thing that we need to do is cook the main ingredients. So I have mild Italian sausage here. It's half a pound. And I have 2 cloves of garlic. That may be too much, maybe I'll just put half. And then I have ricotta cheese. Turn the stove to medium. I'm gonna coat the pan with a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna boil the pasta, put a little bit of olive oil in the pasta, season the pasta with a little bit of salt, looks like this is ready, nicely browned. I'll give my pasta sauce a little stir. Shelley's recipe had chili pepper flakes in there, but my husband can't handle spice that much, so I'm not going to add chili pepper flakes to this. Instead, I'm going to add chili pepper flakes to my dish. The meat looks good. I'm going to add some. Turn down the heat. I'm going to add some pasta sauce to it. And let this simmer. I need to add some ricotta to the pasta sauce, a bit of creaminess, and then give it that blush color. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons. I think maybe 2.5. So let me stir that in. Oh yeah, this is the color and texture. And let it simmer. Just add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I'm gonna put the lid on. And let's see how our pasta's doing. The pasta's ready, so let's put it in the pasta sauce. Look at how beautiful these pasta curls are. We just need to dress it up a little bit, so a little bit of olive oil sprinkled on top, a little bit of chili flakes sprinkled on top, and a little bit of cheese on top. And just some sweet basil. Okay, that's my attempt in making the cavadille pasta dish from DeMarco. Now, it's my version of it, of how I interpreted it. So delicious looking, isn't it? Overall, I've done a great job in recreating this iconic dish. It's delicious, it's creamy, it's spicy. I hope this episode inspired you to try something new at home that you haven't tried making before. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure to click that notification bell so that you'll be notified of every new episode that's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.